Hey guys, I'm back with another video. This is going to be my Amazon unboxing video. And I'll show you what I got. So here is the first package. The first package. And here is the second package. Now, let's open this one first. I hope everyone is having a great Sunday. I hope everyone is going to have a great week. Well, I thought I cut it, but let's see. Okay, there we go. Okay, we got it open. So, as you probably guys seen, it's my tripod that I ordered. And all the where I got this from and what it is, it'll be in the description below. Same with the other one. A nice carrying bag. I don't know if you guys can see, but it also has a handle right here for you to carry it. This is very nice. Okay, on to package number 2, which is right here. So let's open it. I hope everyone is staying safe. I hope everyone has a blessed day and a blessed week. And what do y'all have planned for this week? Okay. We got these. And we have another box to open. So, it came with a remote. It's a tiny remote. And these are the batteries. And it came with a USB and the charger. Okay, It's a nice little carrying case. I can't wait to use this. And stay tuned for part 2 of this. It's going to be a review on this and the tripod. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. Love y'all. Be humble.